Yo, what's going on everybody? And today's video, I'm going to be speculating, could Carowinds be getting a brand new roller coaster for 2022? Now, I am not saying this is confirmed. Actually, no, it's not confirmed at all. But it's a speculation video, and I found this very interesting. Because recently, Carowinds has blocked off a part of their parking lot by Intimidator. I don't know if Dinosaurs Alive, I've never been to Carowinds before, so I don't know if Dinosaurs Alive used to be next to Intimidator, but there's a whole area of the parking lot blocked off by Intimidator, by a clear piece of land, and I think Carowinds could be getting a possible new roller coaster this year, and it could even be the Gerstlauer coaster. I'm not going to be predicting, there's no predictions, it's just by far my speculation, and what I think could be coming to Carowinds for 2022. So I'm going to show you guys an image on the screen right now. So this is by Coaster Chow. I think that's how you say it. I probably butchered the name. He outlined the area where this possible coaster can go. Basically shows you where the parking lot was blocked off. So yeah, it basically just shows you where possibly this new coaster could go. And I'm still saying, it could not be a coaster. So it probably, if it were to be a new coaster, it'd probably be the new Gerstlauer coaster. Now, let's talk about Cedar Point, because everyone's saying that this is going to Cedar Point. It's not confirmed to go to Cedar Point either. But if it was going to go to Cedar Point, we would have already seen land clearing. We would have seen markers everywhere. None of that has been anywhere reported from my friend who just went to Cedar Point. He says nothing was there. No markers to where the possible area could be. There was nothing. So basically, Cedar Point's not going to get a 2022 coaster. Not confirmed either. You never know. Cedar Point could get the Gerstlauer, and Carowinds could get nothing. It's just a speculation. And in my opinion, I think either the Gerstlauer is going to go to Carowinds, or it is going to go to Silver Dollar City. There is land clearing also going over there currently, so I think that's the strongest possibility, but Carowinds also. So yeah, that's really what I think it is. My opinion, basically, it's not going to Cedar Point, and I think Carowinds has a really good chance of getting a new roller coaster next year. I have absolutely no evidence really to back this up. So yeah, it's basically just a speculating video, basically just me talking about if Cedar Point, or not Cedar Point, but Carowinds could be getting a brand new roller coaster for the 2022 season, and Cedar Point may not be. But you never know, it's not confirmed. Just remember that. Take it with a grain of salt, this information. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. It's basically just a quick speculation video, and if we do learn more information on this, I will let you guys know as soon as that comes out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the coaster footage is from the Carowinds and from Zero G Coasters. Shout out to him. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye.